understanding the phrase, run bad. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving deep into a commonly used phrase in English, run bad. This might sound a bit confusing at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. First, let's break down the words in the phrase. Run usually means to move quickly, typically with both feet off the ground at regular intervals. Bad, on the other hand, generally means something that is not good or satisfactory. But when you combine these two words, it doesn't necessarily mean to physically run poorly. In English, many phrases don't mean exactly what the words suggest when you look at them separately. Run bad is one of them. It's often used in the context of luck or a series of events, particularly in games or activities that involve chance. For instance, in poker, if someone is having a series of unfortunate hands or outcomes, they might say, "I'm running bad." It means they're experiencing a streak of bad luck. Now, let's look at some examples to understand the context better. 1. I've been running bad at the casino lately, losing every game I play. 2. Ever since that incident at work, I've just felt like I run bad wherever I go. These sentences highlight that run bad doesn't refer to physically running but rather to a series of unfortunate or unlucky events. Run bad is not the only phrase in English that relates to luck or fortune. Here are a couple of similar phrases. 1. Run good, the opposite of run bad. It means to experience a streak of good luck. 2. Down on one's luck. This means experiencing a period of bad fortune. These phrases, like run bad, add color and variety to the English language, making it rich and diverse. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the phrase, run bad. English is full of such interesting and nuanced phrases, and understanding them can make your communication more vibrant and expressive. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.